everyone, and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today I will be solving a problem which is a reverse string Leetcode 344 problem. So let's see what the problem is, students. So problem is saying that we have to write a function that reverses a string. The input string is given as an array of characters as you must to do the modifying the input array in place with big O of one extra space. So we don't have to use the other spaces like big O of n, big O of n square like this. We have to use the big O of one space. So let's see the example. Example is like string is HELLO. So after reversing this string, what we get? We get the OLLEH. Like first character is coming. It means the last character is coming at the first index, and first character is coming at the last index. So HELLO will go to like BOLLEH. H will go at the end index, and O will come at the first index. So it is like this. So it is a very simple level problem because first way of doing this question is directly we can use a function like reverse function. You can see here reverse of s dot begin comma s dot end. If I run this code, that will also work. If I directly submit this code, that will work definitely. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you can see here it is working perfect. Actually, there is a internet problem, but it is working perfect. I know. Okay. So this will work perfect. So after comment out this, the second way of doing this problem is we can use a two pointer approach. Like first pointer will be at index 0, and the jth pointer will be at the index end index like n minus 1, and I will apply a loop while I is less than equals to j. I'll swap the elements s of I comma s of j, and I'll increase the pointers I like I plus plus or j minus minus, and that will be my code. If I run this code also, that will also work. I'll tell you about why we are using like this. It is same like ith pointer is at index 0 and jth pointer is at index n minus 1. While my ith is less than equals to j, I'll swap these pointers like h will go here and o will go here like this. O will come at the first index and zeroth index, and h will come at the last index. Now I will be at index e, sorry, 0 at index 1, and j will be at the index of 3. You can see here I'll increase I pointer and j pointer. Again I will swap it. Now I and j pointer will come at the same index, which is 2. अगेन आई विल स्वैप इट एल 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 को दोनों को स्वैप करेंगे तो ये सेम इंडेक्स मिलेगा मेरे को. ठीक है. नाउ आई विल बी एट इंडेक्स 3 and they will be at index 2, sorry 1. Now they cross each other, so that is my breaking condition. So I'll not do anything in that condition because I here you can see I have applied a loop which is while I is less than equals to j, till then it will work, otherwise it will not work. So if I is less than equals to j, then this loop will work. And I will swap the elements. I'll increase the pointers and ith pointer and decrease the jth pointer, and then again I'll do the same, and that is my approach. And if I submit this code also, that will also work. You can see here it is working perfect, but if I submit, that will also work. Actually, there is some internet problem, like you can see here all submissions, yeah, you can see here. So you can see the code also. That was a second code, like if I use this approach, and that is submitted. So that was a code, and if you find this helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. Tab tak ke liye bye.